Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Popple Backyard Farm, and I want to tell you what I did today. I thought this might help some of you moms that are home um, all day long, or even some of you guys. Now, I heard a long time ago a woman say, or somebody said something like their aunt got up in the morning at like as soon as she got up, she would start the meals for the day. And honestly, that kind of hit me, and I thought that is smart. So what I like to do if I'm home and things work out, gotta move my chair here. This chair makes me slide a little bit. What I like to do is I like to cook my meals for the day when I get up, and that way I'm done and dishes are done and everything, and it's just easy cleanup the rest of the day. So today, example, Clay and I got up. Oh, we wake up early, like 4 o'clock in the morning. So we each had a banana. Then about 8 in the morning, we had another banana and banana and coffee I'll add. Then, oh, my hair's a little bit messy here. Then what I did was we sat down and we decided you're going to do this today and I'm going to do this, kind of so we know, so that when he'll knock on the kitchen door and we'll take a break together and sit in the front on the rockers. So I went into the kitchen and I made a great big salad. I made a little extra because sometimes Clay likes to come out and have a burrito or something because he loves burritos. And so I made a little bit extra for him in case he wanted to do that. And then I fried up some chicken in the fryer and cut it up and put it on top of the salad. I made a tuna salad for supper tonight along with chicken that I had cooked a couple days before. I spent like 4.5 hours just cooking up bags of chicken that we got at a discount. So I took that chicken and I put barbecue sauce. So I had supper ready and a pecan and a coconut frosted white cake. And I stuck that all in the refrigerator. Not that we're going to eat all that because that could actually turn into tomorrow's meal too a little bit because I made enough, so that will get by me a little extra time tomorrow. But meal planning and using and getting up early and getting the worst of the mess over, and as I'm cooking, he's out doing his thing, I'm doing the dishes right then. All the dishes are done. So basically all I have to do tonight, and I mean it's later in the day, maybe I don't know, maybe 2 o'clock. All I have to do is pull out the chicken, heat it up, have some, and throw it on some a sandwich for a barbecue sandwich, and have the salad, and I'm done. Use paper plates even, and I don't have a big old mess. So there you go. And then as far as the cake is concerned, I'll throw this out for what it's concerned. We'll have a little tiny piece, and we might eat the rest of that for every morning for a quick breakfast. Um, just so we're not overeating, eating whole cakes at a time. This way, we just have a little piece for, like, say, a morning breakfast with your coffee, and then that'll be that. But I just wanted to show you what you could do to save some time, make some meals. And since I did that today, how they can, like, through the week, if you kind of mess and play with those different meals, it can make it easier for you. And you will actually be saving time, saving dishes, saving, all that stuff. And you can have your family fed, dishes done first thing in the morning, and at night it's light cleanup when you're probably wanting to do something else and relax. And it's really not hard once you get used to doing it and it becomes your routine. It quick goes through. And today, maybe some of the meals, like the coconut pie, sound so elaborate, but it's really not, because all I did was, that's the frosting. Go to Walmart and throw it on the cake. And then my cake, I added some extra eggs, and because I used a box mix instead of you don't have to always make everything homemade. I just put in extra eggs, milk instead of water, and stuff like that. That makes your box cake taste more homemade. So there's a lot of little tips like that that you can kind of do. And however it works for you. Clay and I at a couple points in our lives, we used to can up a bunch of food and then open up a can, say if we canned up chili, and then in the middle of winter, you want chili, just pop open a can. But we're more into freezing things. We're not into making mass meals anymore as we're getting older, that's some of that stuff we just feel is, you know, it's more than we want to do. And we also, as you get older, at least for us, we're eating more and more lighter. And of course, we're both trying to lose weight to be healthy. So I hope that helps you. And remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless.